Today we are entering the fun and creative world of mnemonics, those clever memory tricks that turn information into something catchy and memorable. Mnemonics are like shortcuts for your brain, making it easier to recall information by associating it with something more familiar or engaging. Let's explore some popular types. Number 1. Acronyms. Acronyms are words formed from the initial letters of a phrase or list of items. They work by condensing a lot of information into a single memorable word. Example: Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. This acronym helps you remember the colors of the rainbow. Number 2. Acrostics. Acrostics are similar to acronyms, but instead of forming a word, they create a sentence or phrase where the first letter of each word corresponds to the information you are trying to remember. Example: Every good boy does fine. This acrostic helps music students remember the notes on the lines of the treble clef, e.g. B, D, F. Number 3. Rhymes. Rhymes and songs use the power of rhythm and rhyme to make information stick. They are often used for memorizing lists, facts, or procedures. Example: In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. This rhyme helps us remember the year Christopher Columbus sailed to the Americas. Number 4. Imagery. Imagery involves creating vivid mental pictures to represent the information you want to remember. The more bizarre or unusual the image, the more memorable it's likely to be. Example: To remember the word hippopotamus, you might imagine a giant hippopotamus wearing a tutu and dancing in a ballroom. Why mnemonics work? They make information meaningful. Mnemonics connect new information to existing knowledge or create associations that resonate with you personally. They engage multiple senses. Many mnemonics involve both visual and auditory elements, which can strengthen memory formation. They make learning fun. Mnemonics add an element of playfulness and creativity to the learning process, which can boost motivation and engagement. Key takeaways: mnemonics are creative memory tools that make information more memorable. Acronyms, acrostics, rhymes, and imagery are just a few examples of mnemonics. Mnemonics work by making information meaningful, engaging multiple senses, and making learning fun. Experiment with different mnemonics to find what works best for you. Remember, the more creative and personal your mnemonics, the more effective they'll be.